To all of our Silversea guests and crew, wherever you may be around the world, whilst we are waiting to sail again, we must together keep on reminding ourselves what a beautiful planet we live on. Photography is an integral part of why I travel. It keeps me focused, and with many hours spent alone, waiting to capture that golden moment. The feeling I have when the perfect shot comes together, the right light with the best moment in time, is the feeling I live for and why I yearn to travel. As head of Expedition Onboard Photography, together with my team of Silversea photographers, we will take you on a journey, through photos and film, an adventure to relive some of our most memorable experiences, captured throughout our expeditions here at Silversea. We were made to travel, and when the time is right, we will again.